Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the SOSECCE Plastic Chopping Board, a kitchen essential designed with your convenience and safety in mind. This BPA-free and odorless chopping board is crafted from high-quality 100% antibacterial PP and silicone, ensuring a robust and high-temperature resistant surface that's safe for dishwasher cleaning. Featuring a unique non-slip design, the board's matte surface prevents your food and knife from slipping, while the black non-slip silicone ends increase friction for added stability. The board's 1 cm thick design offers durability, so you won't need to replace it frequently, and its generous 35 by 24 cm size provides ample space for all your chopping needs. Equipped with a handy juice groove, it efficiently collects liquids and food residues, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're cutting meat, fruits, vegetables, or bread, this versatile board is perfect for any kitchen task and is an ideal companion for restaurants, bars, outdoor BBQs, picnics, camping, or travel. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and style with the SOSECCE Plastic Chopping Board, and elevate your culinary adventures today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.